Feels like I'm putting grease all over my face, like hair grease. Definitely there is a glow. I didn't actually believe that you'd go to bed with 2 simple things, wake up and have a glow. I think it's amazing. My lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Glow Girl Cosmetics Roll and Repair Kit. This video is going to be done in 2 parts. The first part I'm going to talk you through the products and what I got, and the second part I'm going to be showing you the results. So I'm just going to talk you through what was in the box. The first thing that I'm going to take out is this 1 milliliter face roller in gold. So this is the 1 milliliter face roller. It's used to stimulate collagen production. It's supposed to improve the appearance of poor skin tones. It is also supposed to fade appearance of acne scarring. This is the pumpkin powder face mask, which has glycolic acid inside of it. If you're not sure what glycolic acid is, it's basically a gentle exfoliator, really just reducing the appearance of fine lines, making your skin a little bit more fresh. So I have an eye mask and a lip mask as well, which will be fun to use when I prepare my lip. I got the headband, which I'm wearing right now on my head. A booster serum, which is supposed to plump and hydrate your skin. It's meant to reduce wrinkles, fine lines and blemishes, and also it is great for a base for when you put your makeup on. Sometimes when you use brushes, the product gets stuck in the bristles of the brush, and it just makes it difficult to come out. Sometimes you don't get everything out, so the fact that the ends of this brush is plastic is a good touch, which means that you can wash it off and you're not going to be getting anything stuck in between it. Lastly, I have this is called a pore blaster. I'm meant to put it in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, and then you are meant to basically roll this part all over your face. It's supposed to be really good for when you have puffy eyes. Let me just take off the plastic around it. Okay, roll this part around your eyes. It's also supposed to be good for tightening the skin. As you can see, I have a fresh face, and the first thing I am supposed to do is to sterilize my face roller, which I've already done. The next part is to put on the actual face mask. So I'm gonna open up the pumpkin powder face mask. I'm gonna have a little smell, as you do. Oh, got it on my lip. Oh no, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. The smell, I'm not really fan of the smell. It kind of smells like hair grease. Yeah, no, I don't like the smell, but I will put it on my face because we're gonna do this together. I'm gonna push this back. Take your clean brush. I'm gonna generously apply this all over my skin. Hopefully it's stinging. Not stinging, but tingling, which is good for me because I feel like if it's not stinging, it's not working. So I'm supposed to be leaving at the eye area and the lip area to put the lip and the eye mask on, but I feel like I want to save that for when I'm actually putting on makeup. I want to see if it does actually hydrate underneath my eye, does my lip feel better. This was so good. It feels good. I mean, like, I can't really smell it when I put it on my face, but smelling it out of the pot, I really don't like it. It really does remind me of hair grease, and something about putting hair grease on your face is just like, let's spread some TLC to the neck area. Just a bit top. The plan now is just to sit and wait for 25 minutes, and I will be right back. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the face roller, do some micro needling. It doesn't look sharp, but I'm just going to roll it all over my skin. It definitely feels sharp, but not sharp enough to cut you, if you get what I mean. On the website it does say that after people have done their first session, they have noticed a difference in 24 hours. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this is actually going to be done in 2 parts. I'm actually going to put that to the test. Let's go down there. I don't actually know where exactly I'm supposed to be using it. I'm just using it. Like I said in the beginning, this is supposed to reduce pore size, it's supposed to firm your skin, it's supposed to improve the elasticity of the skin, and you can use this all over your body. You can use this on your arms, you can use it on your legs, on your stomach, on your lips. But I think I read on the website that if you do, you have to buy like a separate kit. This kit that I'm using right now, it retails for £109, but Glow Girl Cosmetics has been kind to give me a discount code, which I will put at the bottom in the description box, and you can enjoy 40% off. I'm not sure how many times you're supposed to like roll it all over your skin, but this feels so good in a weird way. I'm gonna put it back in its container that it came with, and I'm going to keep it there till my next use, and then I'm going to spray it again, and I'm going to sanitize it again, sorry, for my next use. The final step is to add the Glow Booster Serum, which has vitamin C and E in it, and it's got hyaluronic acid inside of it also. So anything acidic that you're supposed to put on your face, I'm here for it. If it tingles, I'm here for it. But yeah, this is the last step. I'm going to put, sorry for the dry hands people, I'm going to put 3 drops, one in the middle, catch it before it. Oh, catch it. I'm just gonna massage it. Ooh. Using circular motions all over the areas that I put the needle, the micro needle. And I'm just gonna literally just push the product into my skin until it's not there anymore. So now that's done, you know, I'm not trying to exaggerate it, but already, I mean, I think it's because of the serum that I put on, my face seems a bit fresh compared to when I didn't have it on in the beginning of the video. But we'll see the results tomorrow. But for now guys, I'm gonna leave it here, and I will see you in the morning. Hey guys, so this is the very next day. Good morning. I just wanted to come on and just show you, like I said I would, what the products did for my face. I can definitely see a glow. Like, there's definitely a glow about me this morning. I haven't washed my face, I haven't done anything. I literally got up out of bed, brushed my teeth, turned the camera on, and just to show you guys what it is. My face feels very soft and plumped, but I'm not sure if that's because I've just woken up. But it definitely does feel soft. Definitely there is a glow. I didn't actually believe that you go to bed with 2 simple things, wake up and have a glow. I think it's amazing. I'm just gonna come up close so you can see. There's definitely, can you see all that glow? Like look, there's a glow here, there's a glow on my forehead, there's a glow, like there's just a glow all around it. To recap the products that I used the Glow Girl Cosmetics Roll and Repair System. I also used their powder mask, and I wasn't really keen on the smell of the pumpkin mask. I was like, I'm putting grease all over my face, like hair grease. I mean, it's not that bad of a smell, but it's just something that I'm not really keen on the smell. That's just it. Other than that guys, I don't actually have any negative to say about it. I will use the other things later, so I'm gonna definitely use the blaster. I'm definitely gonna use that, and I'll definitely do a separate video for that. It's most probably gonna be a YouTube, Instagram video. Literally guys, if you are looking for a gift set to buy for someone, birthday, just anything, like you feel like you want to treat somebody to have basically a facial at home, because that's basically what we did. We had a facial at home. Like I said yesterday, if you'd like to purchase the Glow Girl Cosmetics Roll and Repair kit, face kit, then I'm going to leave the link of their address down below in the description box, and you can also use my code MOJISOLA40, that's MOJISOLA40, to get a whopping 40% off, and yeah, save yourself some coins, get yourself a kit that you could use over and over again. I think the only thing that you can't use again after you've got it is the lip and the eye mask. Obviously it's just a one-time use, but everything else you can use it again, and if you needed to replace what you've used already, you can always go back on the website and buy what you need. And yeah, alright guys, that's me for today. I am going back to sleep because I'm very tired. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you do like it, and make sure you follow me on all my social platforms, and I'll leave a link to them all below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.